the street, they call it murder.
Can rock, can put the thugs and can put. Brown up in a van back. It's in a your handbag. Your knapsack, it in a your backpack. This melody your girlfriend contact.
Alright y'all, check it out. It's showtime. What up? Welcome to Fast Farm, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the first annual Supercar Drama Turkey Run. Let's go.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Woo! Shit! Y'all see this? Oh! God damn, where'd all this money come from? Oh, look at all these people. Holy shit. Y'all see this lineup? Yo, it's about to get crazy. Let's go.
You got a second?
Shit's about to get rowdy. Let's go. Ooh, check it out. We got a rolling photo shoot. Okay. All right, man. Let's go. Got the AMG GT, Aston Martin Vantage F1 edition, and look at all these Porsches! Yo, this is crazy. Bruh, and the GT3 RS. I know the kid's gonna be like, oh, is this AI? My man, the AMG GT. Woo-hoo-hoo. Love it. Check it out. We just made it to the first pit stop.
What up?
Smooth. Look at all these new cars out here, man. Woo-hoo! The ultimate. This bitch is loud. You should let me borrow it.
Hey, bitch! Ah!
Yes, sir.
Look at this shit, bro. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. It's beautiful.
It's cool as shit, ain't
Beautiful. Hey, buddy. All right, let's go. We got round two. Let's see how long it takes us to get out of this gas station. Let's go, boys. What up, Evo? I'm gonna slide in for a close-up. Yes, sir. Check this out. We got a beautiful historic covered bridge in Pennsylvania. Man, look at this. That's some solid wood. Oh, look at the farm. These views are priceless. All right, let's hit some of these back roads. All right, finally made it to some back roads. Man, this car does not stop popping. It is so obnoxious and I love it. Go ahead, boys. I'm fucking pulling through. All right, we're at gas stop number 2. Another Wawa. Look at all these cars, man. What a sick lineup. You. Haha. Yo, check the SF90, man. That thing is clean.
Alright, how's that? Faster.
Alright, let's get back to it. Man, like I said before, this lineup is insane. You got the 488, you got a C8 Corvette, We got a GT2 RS right here, GT3 RS, 720S, another GT3 RS, another GT3 RS. Yeah, buddy. Let's go.
Alright, boys. Alright, boys. Let me jump in there. Let me jump in. I'm gonna sneak in here. Thank you. There. Oh, shit is crazy. Go ahead, Chad. Come on, buddy. Get up in there. This is chaos. What's your door? Go ahead, buddy.
Yo, this Ultimate sounds insane. I am in heaven right now. Yo, pinch me. Is this AI?
Thank you, guys.
Oh, here we go. Let's hear that V12 open up. Woo-hoo! Yo, I don't care what anyone says. I need a Lamborghini in my life. What y'all think? All right, boys, why are we slowing down? This ain't no fun. Woo-hoo-hoo! Man, that shit is so obnoxious. Oh, that GT3 RS is so nice. And that green. Y'all know I'm a sucker for green. Yo, this RS6 Avant is so nice. Look how beefy it is. That's a badass car. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie. It feels like we're at the track today. Look at these Porsches. I gotta say, well done, Porsche. These GT3 RSs are nasty. Such a monster all around. Love it. Alright, looks like we got a fast lane camper up ahead. Let's get around them. This MC20 is so nice. Look at the body on it. And for a V6, it's a monster. Definitely gotta be one of the nicest Maseratis ever. And my man's got the gap cam on it. Absolutely love it. Woo! Oh, check it out. We got a 488 GTB. Can't go wrong with Red Ferrari. Sorry, just can't. Oh, here comes the Gallardo. Yeah. Yo, he just blew my doors off. Oh, here we go, both sides.
Alright, boys, we got the man. Someone's gonna get covered. Black Charger.
Okay, thanks for the heads up.
Yeah, no doubt. Alright, hold on. He got someone, I think. Let me see.
He got hot.
Alright, looks like we're pulling up at the final stop. Made it up over here to King of Prussia. Now let's go eat. Yo, this parking garage is about to get real loud. Woo! Yo, look how nice this Aston Martin Vantage F1 edition is. All these noises.
Yo, the parking garage is crazy. Just listen to it.
Woo! What a ride. Yo, Supercar Drama's turkey run was freaking awesome. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Fast Farm. I hope you had fun. I sure as shit did. Until next time.